channel. As you can see, I'm here in the Wax Museum, wax hand dip. So this lady over here just got a mold of wax mold of my right hand, and she's now preparing the wax to be able to create a piece of work art. So as you can see there, you can have different hand signals with different colors, whether it's plain or glittered. And here, that is my hand, my right hand indeed. So the process is pretty long. So what she did, she asked me to dip my hand here, and then she did wash it with a hand soap, and then dry clean my hand. And then here you can see, actually she asked me to dip my hand into the 60 degrees wax, and this is the finished product. So she's just now preparing my wax hand, right wax hand, and to add some color into it because I decided to have a rainbow colored hand. So this is my hand, and I decided to just show all my 5 fingers so that it will be, you know, visible instead of having a peace sign or I love you sign. So now it's in color yellow, and it's pretty big. My hand is pretty big, and it's not easy to create a wax hand. So I decided to have this as part of my candle collection. Whether it's going to be useful or not, never mind. It's just it's nice because I know that Yankee Candle do offer their customers regarding the wax hand dip. So it's either you do it alone or you do it with a partner. But here I decided to just create a mold of my right hand. So I think it's kind of weird to have a mold of your right hand, but it's really nice, at least to have more or less a souvenir, especially for me, wherein I am in love with wax. I have collection of candles, collection of tarts. I'm passionate about scented candles, so I believe this particular process is very interesting as far as my collection is concerned. So I decided to choose a heart base for the hand, and now she's dipping it in a colored wax, I think. What color is that? What color? Pink? So it's rainbow color, so it's rainbow. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So it's Roy Bib. So I think I made the right choice to have a full wax hand so that I will get a really full value of the wax. It's not very expensive. It's only 150 baht, I think 150, and with a base of 50, so it's like 200. So it's just like $10. It's just like $10. So anyway, now you can see pink, white, and yellow. Pink, white, and yellow. So she's make it nice, okay? Make it nice. And then now it's going to be color blue. I think color blue. That's nice, huh? That color. Hey, I will have my own mold. I will have my own wax mold. And it's going to be really nice. Maybe only pink, no more red. Pink. And then I'll see no red. Let's see. Pink, I will check. So it's really nice there. You can see there they have it in red, they have it in bright rainbow colors, and different glittered wax hand dip. So there you have, I don't know if you can see it, but this is where they show all their wax hands. I told her to just make it violet, blue, green, yellow, and pink. So let's see the outcome of this particular wax hand. So this is just for souvenir and for me maybe to always make it part of my Coco Candle channel each time I make a video. So this the lady's cleaning all the wax residue. And then there's my hand. This video is kind of long, but anyway, I wanted to capture the entire experience of my right hand wax. It's nicer without the red, no? See, it's a rainbow color hand. That is my hand. That is indeed my hand. There you have it, the finished product. Very nice, very good, very good. Very good. How many hands do you make a day? How many? Oh, 150 a day. Is it easy or tiring? Hard to do?
Sometimes it's very hard, sometimes it's so easy.
Why is it hard?
Double hand.
Oh, the double hand.
Some people is so not relaxed, you know.
Not relaxed, tense?
Awkward.
Oh, it's very hard to remove. Okay. This one is nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's big.
Awesome.
It's big. Okay. Can I hold it? So this is the finished product of my hand. So there you have it. Okay.